Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Facebook lead ads to Omnisend. All right, you actually have two ways. So the first one is by just using the Omnisend right here. And the second one is by using an automation platform, which is Zapier. Okay, if you want me to create a video connecting Omnisend to Facebook lead ads via Zapier, do let me know in the comments below. All right, so by using Omnisend, just go to the top, click on apps, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you can see here, we have here Facebook custom audiences. I already added it. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on remove right here just for you to see. And then let's go ahead and click on search apps right here at the top. Okay. Now, what you'll do is just type down Facebook. All right. As you can see here, we have a Facebook lead ads. Click on it. Now just click on connect now. Now, if within the same browser, you're currently logged into your Facebook account, you can just easily click on continue right here. If not, it will ask you to log into your Facebook account. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue as my Facebook profile. Wait for it to load and it will just load up my assets or portfolios. Okay, just wait for it. And once done, it will ask you to select the page right here. As you can see, automatically within that account, all of my assets has been loaded. So I'm just going to go ahead and select one. Let's say this one right here. And then once done, you will be able to see a list of lead ad forms that you have on this specific page. Okay, just basically select one from the list and just click on this checkbox right here and then click on complete app setup. All right, click on it. And once done, you should be good to go. And do take note that this app needs you to renew connection every once in a while, which is basically 60 days right here. So if 60 days have passed, they will just notify you that you will need to renew the connection. Just basically click on renew right here. If you want to update some settings, click on update settings in here. And once done, you're good to go. That is how you connect Facebook lead ads to Omnisend. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.